Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics, and I'm your host Limpo Mukhani. Today I'm at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium for the Nedbank Cup final between TS Galaxy versus Durban City. A game as usual concluded the scoreline of 2-1 in favor of Durban City being crowned new Nedbank Cup winners in Yalung Nakhatebe. La Nakhatebe, how? Yeah, Durban City yayenda lena. Yayenda lena. Yayenda indzaba Khatebe.
Yasijabulisa.
EPLK ekhele likompo.
Yasijabulisa. Uyazi wenzakalani?
Sure.
Ngoba i-TS Galaxy yabethi Sundowns. Mina ngine soft spot for Sundowns.
Yeah.
Ngathi bona wena Durban City ibethe for iSundowns. I-revenge biye Sundowns.
Sure.
Yeah. And then nokuthi yabethi Kaizer Chiefs ngefinal eDurban eThekwini. Bona uyothi ukuthi into zibe ziningi for i-TS Galaxy ukuthi idliwe namuhla. Yeah. Besifuna vele i-Durban City beyibethela for i-Chiefs, beyibethela for i-Sundowns.
Sure.
Yeah. Khuluma nami Brian, ngikulalele.
Nduna yami, the well iqembu lidlale ngayo namuhla. We saw, to move into tactical aspect of the game. Iqembu, the first half of the game, they tried to overload the side Lalitswele, which is the left hand side. They tried to overload it ngalena balinga lona. Then you were able to get it goal through a set piece. Also lapse of concentration from TS Galaxy, they allowed you to get the little goal lelo. In terms of how you play, are you happy ngendlela the well iqembu lidlale ngayo besides the scoreline?
I'm very happy. TS Galaxy uyabona i-substitute layer yabo within 5 minutes the second half yaka Macbeth ibabulela uyivala njani i-game nge-first 5 minutes u leader 1-0 too early ukuthi ungayivala. That is why ubuyile wena wabuya wakora i-Durban City yabuya ya penalize awuyivali i-game leyo bayifala bayiyeke ivuleke the way beyivuleke from i-first half. Then lo kama ithi maybe ngama 80 minutes 77 minutes bayivali mara uyivale masinya uBernard Park imbethile khona lapho.
Uma bengakubuta lana nduna yami, do you believe ukuthi inexperience ya coach Bernard Parker as a coach it also helped you with Durban City namhla ukuthi phumelele lana, or it just maybe high?
Exactly. And then unenye into engiyibona ungathi bangacoach ngathi bekunomuntu acoacha behind bamthumela ama instruction ukuthi
Bernard
Parker hayi mina leyo ngeke ngiyikhuluma siyeke mara ngathi kunomuntu acoacha behind then amtshela ukuthi ayenza so hayi wabonisa ukuthi ucoach uBernard Parker lapha Brian. Next yala
Hayi ngitshela
batshela abantu yeke hayi ungatshela abantu yeke
uyabo ngiyabonga kakhulu nduna yami isikhathi sakho, congratulations on the win.
Sure Brian, siyabonga Durban City.